Here are a few tips to keep your Frigidaire range clean and performing at its best. Removing spills and heavy soiling as soon as possible will reduce the difficulty of cleaning later. Before cleaning your range, always make sure the controls are turned off and the oven and cooktop are cool, and remove all bakeware and oven racks. Wear rubber gloves to protect your hands when manually cleaning your oven. You can clean most messes with a soft, clean cloth and warm, soapy water. Oven racks can be cleaned with soap and water and left to air dry. Additionally, your range may have steam clean or self-clean features. Features vary by model. Steam Clean offers a chemically free and time-saving method to assist in the routine cleaning of small and light soils. Wipe loose debris and grease from the oven, remove racks, and pour 1 cup of tap water into the oven bottom. Close the oven door and touch Steam Clean, which may need to be selected from the oven modes menu depending on the model. After beginning the cycle, the Steam Clean timer will be visible in the display. Note: do not open the door during this time. When the Steam Clean cycle is complete, stand to the side of the oven when opening to allow vapor to escape. Wipe the oven cavity and bottom clean. The Steam Clean feature is best used for routine cleaning of small and light soils, while the Self-Clean feature is designed for larger, baked-on stains and messes. The Self-Clean feature reduces soils to a fine powdered ash that can be wiped away with a damp cloth. To set a self-clean cycle, make sure the oven is cool and remove all racks and accessories. Make sure the oven door is completely closed and touch Self-Clean, which may need to be selected from the oven modes menu depending on the model. When a self-clean cycle is running, the door lock will be engaged. Do not attempt to open the oven door when any locking indicators are showing. Once the door is locked, Clean will be on the display. When the self-clean cycle is complete, Hot will appear in the display until the oven is cool. After about an hour, the oven door will unlock and can be opened. Wipe away any residue or powdered ash with a damp cloth or paper towel. To clean your cooktop's control panel, use a soft, clean cloth with a mild cleaner. Dry with a clean cloth. Other liquid cleaners, abrasive cleaners, sponges, scouring pads, and paper towels can damage the finish on the control panel and display. Note: do not spray liquids directly on the control panel or display area. Spray into a clean cloth and wipe the area clean. Now that you're familiar with cleaning your oven, here are some best care practices for cleaning your cooktop. Ensuring your cooktop is completely cool, apply a cooktop-specific cleaner, such as Frigidaire Ready Clean Glass and Ceramic Cooktop Cleaner. Use a paper towel or cloth to clean the entire cooktop surface. Buff the glass with a soft, clean cloth until there's no residue. For heavy spills, apply cooktop cleaner directly to the affected area. Rub the spot using a non-abrasive scrubbing pad, applying pressure as needed. And to help ensure the longevity of your appliance, don't forget to check the quality of your cookware. Pots and pans with rough bottoms can mark or scratch the cooking surface. Visit Frigidaire.com to learn more about your appliance, register your product, and join the Frigidaire family. We're here to help.